The Legend of Mayon Volcano. Ang Alamat ng Bulkang Mayon. Short story, maikling kwento. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Daragang Magayon. Noong unang panahon, may isang prinsesa nagngangalang Daragang Magayon. Her father was a ruler in the land called Bicol. Ang kanyang ama ay hari sa lupain na tinatawag na Bicol. Daragang Magayon was so beautiful and kind that many young men wanted to marry her. Si Daragang Magayon ay maganda at mabait, kaya maraming lalaki ang gustong mapangasawa siya. But Daragang Magayon had a secret. She was in love with Hadyong. Ngunit si Daragang Magayon ay may sikreto. Siya ay umiibig kay Hadyong. However, Hadyong is a warrior from a tribe that was an enemy to Daragang Magayon's family. Subalit si Hadyong ay isang mandirigma sa tribo na kaaway ng pamilya ni Daragang Magayon. So Daragang Magayon and Hadyong had to meet in hiding until one night Hadyong's brother caught their mating. Kaya si Daragang Magayon at Hadyong ay nagkikita ng patago hanggang isang gabi sila ay nahuli ng kapatid ni Hadyong. When both families heard about it, they were furious. Nang nalaman ito ng kanilang pamilya, sila ay nagalit. This started a war between the two tribes. Dito nagsimula ang digmaan sa pagitan ng dalawang tribo. Hadyong fought in the battle and got killed in the fight. Si Hadyong ay lumaban sa digmaan at napatay sa labanan. When Daragang Magayon heard the news of Hadyong's death, it broke her heart. Nang nakaabot kay Daragang Magayon ang balita sa pagkamatay ni Hadyong, nabiyak ang kanyang puso. She cried every day until she got sick. She soon died too. Araw-araw siya ay umiiyak hanggang siya ay nagkasakit. Kalaunan, namatay din siya. With much sadness, Daragang Magayon's family and the townspeople buried the beautiful maiden. Dahil sa sobrang kalungkutan, inilibing siya ng pamilya niya at ng taong bayan. A few months had passed. The ground where she was buried grew and grew. Pagkatapos ng ilang buwan, ang lupa kung saan siya inilibing ay tumubo ng tumubo. After a few hundred years, it became a very beautiful volcano now called Mayon. Pagkatapos ng ilang daang taon, ito ay naging isang magandang bulkan na ngayon ay tinatawag na Mayon. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.